You know, you play the hand you're dealt. Good night, Chandratha. Thanks for hanging out for a little bit. Appreciate it. If you're league starting, good luck. May R and Jesus be with you. That's a plenty of time. Oh, might as well talk to, yeah, because we still got the busts. Talk to Hargan, get our book, then we can sell stuff. I'm really hesitant. Can I, please? Thank you.
Bring me back something nice.
All right. What was that? That black item. Ooh.
I'm not up to that just yet. I've never felt further from what I know and love.
Excuse me. Probably to where I can change my filter as well. We've kind of gotten past the league start phase. Hit hard, hit once. All right, how are we doing? 140? Doing all right. We're doing all right. This is where, like, I am not sure. I mean, I know I'm sure it's because I'm killing too much stuff, but I feel like I'm doing as little as possible, and I'm still like, you know, like, it's like when you're in your budget and you're like, all right, we've cut all the big stuff. Like, I don't know how to make anything happen with, like, you know, like, I've cut all the stuff that's, like, obvious things that would save money. Like, you know, all the, like, $50 a month plus expenditures. Like, those are already out of the budget. But, like, now it's like, you gotta get at the stuff that's basically nickel and diming you. And it's like, I don't know how to figure out. It actually went pretty well.
You and what is that?